How to lose weight with the Lazy Keto Diet plan. The Lazy Keto Diet is a simplified version of the traditional ketogenic diet, designed for people who want the benefits of keto without the hassle of meticulously tracking macronutrients. Lazy Keto offers a more relaxed approach to entering and maintaining ketosis by focusing only on low carbohydrate intake. This flexibility makes it an attractive choice for those seeking an easy, sustainable way to lose weight. What is the Lazy Keto Diet? Unlike the traditional ketogenic diet, which involves tracking all macronutrients, fats, proteins, and carbs, the Lazy Keto Diet focuses solely on reducing carbohydrate intake. Typically, Lazy Keto dieters aim to consume fewer than 20-50 grams of carbs daily without worrying about specific fat or protein intake targets. This approach simplifies the keto lifestyle, making it accessible for busy individuals or those who find the strict tracking of traditional keto too restrictive. The goal remains to achieve ketosis, where the body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. How does the Lazy Keto Diet help with weight loss? 1. Induces ketosis. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake, the body is forced to enter ketosis, burning fat for fuel instead of glucose. This metabolic state accelerates fat loss. 2. Reduces calorie consumption. Emphasizing low-carb foods naturally reduces cravings and overall calorie intake. High-fat, protein-rich foods fill, leading to less frequent snacking and overeating. 3. Simplifies the process. Lazy Keto's lack of strict rules makes it easier to follow, increasing the likelihood of adherence and long-term success. 4. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. By limiting carbs, the diet prevents blood sugar spikes and crashes, reducing hunger and promoting steady energy levels. Steps to lose weight with the Lazy Keto Diet plan. 1. Set a daily carb limit. Aim to keep your daily carb intake between 20-50 grams. Use a food tracker to monitor carb consumption if needed. 2. Choose low-carb foods. Base your meals on keto-friendly ingredients such as proteins, chicken, beef, fish, eggs, and tofu. Fats, avocado, olive oil, butter, and nuts. Vegetables, spinach, broccoli, zucchini, and cauliflower. Snacks, cheese, seeds, or keto-friendly protein bars. 3. Avoid high-carb foods. Eliminate or significantly reduce foods like bread, pasta, rice, sugary snacks, and starchy vegetables. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to support digestion and prevent dehydration, a common issue when starting keto. 5. Incorporate regular exercise. Physical activity, such as walking, strength training, or cardio, can enhance fat loss and improve overall health. Sample Lazy Keto Meal Plan Breakfast. 1. Omelette with cheese, spinach, and mushrooms cooked in butter. Snack. 1. A handful of almonds or macadamia nuts. Lunch. 1. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, avocado, and olive oil dressing. Snack. 1. String cheese or a boiled egg. Dinner. 1. Baked salmon with a side of roasted broccoli and cauliflower. Dessert. 1. Sugar-free dark chocolate or a small portion of keto fat bombs. Benefits of the Lazy Keto Diet. 1. Ease of implementation. By only tracking carbs, Lazy Keto is less overwhelming than traditional keto, making it suitable for beginners or those with busy lifestyles. 2. Promotes fat loss. Entering ketosis encourages the body to burn stored fat, leading to effective weight loss. 3. Flexible and sustainable. The relaxed rules make it easier to adapt to the diet long term. 4. Improved energy levels. Stable blood sugar levels and using fat for energy result in consistent energy throughout the day. Potential drawbacks and how to address them. 1. Nutritional imbalance. Lazy Keto's lack of emphasis on other macronutrients may result in deficiencies. To avoid this, include nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. Consider taking supplements for vitamins and minerals like magnesium and potassium. 2. Risk of overeating fat or protein. While focusing on carbs, overeating fats or proteins can stall weight loss. Pay attention to portion sizes and choose healthier fat sources. 3. Keto flu. When transitioning to ketosis, some may experience fatigue, headaches, or irritability. Combat this by increasing water intake and replenishing electrolytes. 4. Lack of structure. The flexibility of lazy keto can lead to unhealthy eating habits. Plan meals to ensure balance and variety. Tips for success on the lazy keto diet. 1. Focus on whole foods. While processed keto snacks are convenient, prioritize whole, nutrient-dense options to support overall health. 2. Plan meals. Prepare meals and snacks in advance to stay within your carb limit and avoid impulsive eating. 3. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Adjust portion sizes or meal frequency based on your needs. 4. Monitor progress. Keep track of weight loss, energy levels, and how your clothes fit to measure success beyond the scale. 5. Stay consistent. While flexibility is a key feature of lazy keto, maintaining a consistent low-carb intake is crucial for achieving and sustaining results. Conclusion: the Lazy Keto Diet plan offers a straightforward and flexible way to lose weight by focusing solely on limiting carbohydrates. Its simplicity makes it ideal for those new to keto or looking for a less restrictive approach. By choosing nutrient-dense, low-carb foods and staying consistent, you can achieve your weight loss goals while enjoying the benefits of ketosis. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and prioritize overall health for the best results. Loudspeaker, let's connect. Share your experience in the comments. Thumbs up like this video and share it with others.